What's good? It's Rob Cressy. And if you want to scale your content and marketing by leveraging ChatGPT, then what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. So I'm going to open up my ChatGPT right here. And the other day, I wanted to explore a concept called right momentum. I'd never heard those two words put together. And as a coach, I was like, I want to see what this looks like. So I asked ChatGPT to tell me about this from a high-level perspective as a world-class personal growth coach. And what did it do? Boom. It built out this world for me all around right momentum. And I was like, wow, this is really good. Can you create me a Facebook post? So when I asked it, I want to create a Facebook post about right momentum, written to help and inspire my friends and family and community, personable tone, warm, candid, and from love. And what did it spit out for me? Boom. A good Facebook post here. And this is super important because a lot of people use ChatGPT to scale their content and marketing, but they don't think about what platform it's going on. I was planning on using this for my personal Facebook, my Instagram, in my newsletter. So I know it was just my community. And I loved what it had built so much from a context standpoint, building out this world of right momentum that boom, once I read this, it even quoted Bruce Lee. Whoa! I was like, let's go. So I did a little bit of editing, posted it to my channel. Up next, my brain starts going in being a coach. And I said, I want to quantify right momentum because I want to be able to deliver a transformation for my clients. And what did I do? I asked it to create a scorecard, something I can give my clients that help them evaluate their right momentum. Help me create this, please. Boom. What does it do? It creates a scorecard, 5 categories, 3 questions, 1 to 10, gets you a score of 50. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, this is great, but what good is a scorecard without a rating scale? So what's the next thing? Is there a rating scale we can create based on what they score? Like levels or a range. Boom. 1 to 10. And here we go. Now we're building this world out more. Then I said, based on the next level they are at, I would like to give them recommendations for things they can do to get to the next level. So yeah, it's nice to have a scorecard. Yeah, it's nice to have a rating system. But as a coach, you want to be able to give your clients and your audience actionable things that they can do. So boom, we went ahead and created actionable recommendations for what someone can do based on evaluating where they are in their momentum. But wait, there's more, because that's just not enough. Because I know if you don't put a time frame around things, people aren't going to take action on it. So what we wanted to do was better quantify the action they can take and how long this will take. And what do we do? Boom, based on month, a thing that you can work on every single month from a time frame perspective that'll help you build your momentum. And I'm sharing this because a few days ago, this concept didn't exist in my mind. All I heard were the words right momentum. But slowly but surely, boom, I leveraged ChatGPT and I had it help me understand what right momentum means. And then we created the blog post, and then we created the scorecard, and then the rating system, and then the time frame. I'm sharing this for a few reasons. One, to show you my thought process of how you can literally take something that is nothing and turn it into something that you can actually ship for your business. Number 2, I'm sharing this because so often people get inundated with so many ideas. There's so many things that I can do, but they fail to ship the work to close the loop. So think about the thought process that I used here. All right, idea. Now we're shipping the blog post. Now we're shipping the scorecard. Now we're creating a rating system and a time frame. One of the keys to leveraging ChatGPT like a pro is to focus on shipping the work, because otherwise you're not being productive. You're just leveraging ChatGPT. And I wanted to share this with you because we hear so often about how ChatGPT is amazing at helping you create more content and marketing. But what does it really look like, and how do you go beyond the surface level of I'm creating a post and actually create a product that you can ship that can transform your audience, because I can turn this into a Google form, which becomes lead generation on a landing page. I can build an automation funnel from there, and then I can drop my offer in between there. So I wanted to help you along on your journey by showing you some new ways that you can leverage ChatGPT. Best of all of this was done in about 5 minutes.